Hey y'all, thank you for tuning in to Mkla DIY. If you're new here, please consider subscribing for more DIY and home improvement content. So first I want to say thank y'all so much for 100 subscribers. I know that I don't upload very consistently, but it does feel good to know that you guys are interested in just following along of my DIY home improvement journey. So again, thank you guys. So for today's video, we are going to kick off my demo diaries series, which this will just be part one since we only did a partial demo by taking out the pantry, upper cabinets, and then removing the soffit above the cabinets. Right here, I only had this partially taken out because this was kind of pain in my butt. But to my pleasant surprise, I found out that there was nothing in the soffit, which was something that I was really, really nervous about. Okay. So I just made a discovery. All right, let me just show you what's going on in here. So this part was up in the soffit and this part is like thoroughly nailed to the actual wall itself. However, this particle board back here is, I'm guessing it's screwed or nailed down, and then this was put on top of it to cover it so they didn't have to put in like wood glue or anything to cover up the holes, which makes sense because I was wondering why there weren't any nail like holes that I could see to get this out. So now that I have put in this effort to try to take this out, really just to see what was up here and to see how easy these were going to be to take off. So I'm starting to think that it's going to be much easier on me to get a multi-tool or like a jigsaw to just cut these out and not worry about salvaging the frames themselves, because that's what I was trying to do. I was trying to salvage the upper cabinets and donate them to the restore, but I think that's going to be kind of pointless to do at this point. However, I do think that I will be able to salvage the doors and the hardware, and I will donate those to the restore. But yeah, so I'm gonna have to go to Lowe's and get myself a multi-tool and or jigsaw to help me with this project. Okay, y'all, so I apologize for all the shaky footage because my daughter was helping me film and she was just kind of standing far back, but she kept getting distracted, so the camera was just going all over the place. But yeah, it was funny because I just didn't realize it until I was editing and saw it, and I was like, well, I'm still gonna put it in the video anyway.
That totally scared me. I was like, that was me. You might be tired. Look how many nails there are. I won't be able to zoom in, but there are a bunch.
Yeah, I probably should be wearing some goggles.
Well, let her go get some goggles.
Protective eyewear.
Well, I'll hand you the goggles. I'll show you the goggles. So. You might want to get that part. So if you want some goggles, these are the goggles.
You missed it, didn't you?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh.
Ta-da!
Alright, so this is what it looked like after the Soffits came down, and I was so excited because it started to really become real. And honestly, like, I really wasn't expecting to feel so elated by the fact that my other cabinets were gone, that pantry was gone, there was nothing under the Soffits. So y'all, like, we're really about to get into the nitty-gritty, and we still got some more demo to do, but then we are going to go dive right into kitchen planning, which I'm not gonna lie, y'all, like, I'm pretty nervous, but you guys will see that in a future video. Alright, y'all, so that is all for part 1. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more content like this, and I will catch you in the next one. Until next time.